We're here observing the graduation of two of the apprentices out of the Journeyman Apprentice Program for bus maintenance.
Today we're celebrating Brianna Harrison, and we're celebrating the fact that we have our very first female mechanic graduate for our apprenticeship mechanic program. This means that we're breaking ceilings, right? This means that on April 1st, when we celebrated our 50th anniversary, we also celebrated our first female mechanic. Like, that's a big deal. We're super excited about it. This is also a great, we're celebrating a great partnership with our labor union partners, with IBEW and the U.S. Department of Labor.
We're super excited that to have our first female graduate. I can't even really put into words how proud we were to find out that we actually had a female that was interested in going into the program. Much more of our ladies look at this and say, you know what, it's doable now. I can do this. And so certainly want to let more of our females know that we'll be there for them to support them through the program should they wish to do it.
We're looking to highlight this as an example. We're hoping that people are more encouraged. I'm hearing that she and also some of our other graduates are just building up some momentum. People are getting excited about this.
We're just really happy to see it happen and hope that the program just continues to grow and gets more diverse each and every time that more graduates come out of the program.